In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate or copy a list on Ticktick. If you use Ticktick regularly and have ever wondered how to efficiently duplicate your lists to save time and effort, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. To get started first, navigate to the Ticktick website. Ticktick is a versatile to-do list and calendar app designed to help keep your life organized. Once you're on the website, the next thing you'll want to do is sign in. Look for the sign in button, which is conveniently placed on the home page, and click on it. After clicking on sign in, you'll be greeted with different sign in options. For those who prefer convenience, selecting the Google option is often the easiest and quickest way to access your account. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose your Google account if you aren't already logged in. So go ahead, select the account you wish to use and complete the login process. With your credentials in place and you now logged in, let's move on to the main task, which is duplicating a list. On the left side of your Ticktick interface, you should see your lists neatly displayed. Identify the list you'd like to duplicate. Once you have located your list, look for a set of 3 dots next to it. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you aim to find and click Duplicate. Selecting this option will set in motion the duplication process, allowing you to create a perfect copy of your existing list. Ticktick will offer some options regarding what elements you'd like to keep in the duplicated list. This might include specific tasks or timestamps. Review these options carefully and make your selections according to your needs. Once you've made your decisions, you're ready for the final step. Scroll down to find the confirm button and give it a click. By doing so, you'll finalize the duplication process. Your new duplicated list should now appear on your left-hand panel, ready for you to use as needed, and that's it. Duplicating a list on Ticktick is as simple as that. This efficient feature really can help streamline your planning, especially if you've got recurring projects or similar task lists that you want to reuse and modify with ease. Thank you for joining me today in learning how to duplicate a list on Ticktick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most out of your organization tools. Happy planning and see you next time.